In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link TikTok with Payoneer. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips so you can start receiving payouts smoothly. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. TikTok only supports Payoneer for certain monetization features like live gifts, and availability depends on your country and eligibility. If your account doesn't qualify, you won't see payout options yet. Start by confirming you're eligible for payouts. You should be part of a TikTok earning program such as live creator payouts or another monetization feature available to you. If you don't have access to earnings, you won't see the payout setup in your settings. Now open the TikTok app and go to your profile. From there, tap the menu icon in the top corner. In this menu, select balance or earnings depending on what your account shows. This is where TikTok groups your income, gifts, coins, and related payout options. Next, open your payment settings. Look for items labeled withdraw, payout method, or manage payment method. The exact wording can vary by account type and region, but any of these will take you to the payout setup. If Payoneer is available to you, choose it as your payout method. TikTok will redirect you to Payoneer's secure login or sign up page. Here, sign in to your existing Payoneer account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Use accurate legal details that match your TikTok payout profile. Payoneer may require identity verification, and mismatched names or addresses can delay approval. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You'll be asked to confirm that TikTok can send payouts to your Payoneer account. Once approved, return to TikTok and verify that Payoneer now appears as your selected payout method. Seeing it listed confirms the accounts are linked. From this point on, when you receive eligible earnings, TikTok will send funds to your Payoneer account. Inside Payoneer, you can keep the balance, convert currencies, or withdraw to your local bank account depending on what's supported in your country. Processing times and fees can vary, so it's a good idea to review Payoneer's fee schedule and payout timelines. Quick recap: check eligibility, go to your profile, open the menu, tap balance or earnings, enter payment settings, select Payoneer, log in or sign up, authorize, and confirm the link in TikTok. If you don't see Payoneer or payout options, it usually means your account or region isn't eligible yet or your app needs an update. Check eligibility details in TikTok's Help Center. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.